never lost a belt buckle in my life. I have never lost a harmonica. I have never left a mason jar in the yard. I'm perplexed at these phenomena, and so I cry. How'd this get here? How'd this get here? Tell me, how'd this get here? On a lovely bluff high above the Cumberland, digging normal stuff one might expect. Out pops something I have never seen before, a coin from India, dated 1810, and so I cry. How'd this get here? It's got Persian writing, Persian words. How'd this get here? Oh, the quizzical expressions as I hold these lost possessions. This metallurgical obsession leads me to the endless question. Ooh, how'd this get here? La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Let's examine the belt buckle mystery. Buckles, plain and fancy, lost long ago, and I'm not talking about those buckles of the brave men who fell in battle, just the buckles of the ordinary Joes. How'd they get here? How'd they get here? Did belts fall off? Did pants fall down? How'd they get here? I have never lost a belt buckle in my life.
Well, this is actually kind of cool. Little lead horse. Congratulations. We're gonna keep on looking. Hey guys, I am out on a new permission. This is an old homestead house, original to the area, out in the middle of the prairie. And I just got permission to take a look around, see what we got here. Notice they got some bee boxes out in the back, and there's an old well pump here. I was told to keep an eye out for the well as well, so I'm gonna have to make sure I don't fall down a hole. Looks like the grass is a little tall, but it looks like it's swingable. So I'm gonna check it out, see what I can find. Be back with you at the first hole. Finally got a half decent town. I've got some high hopes for this being something good because there's an imprint here. And either that's a coin or it's a shotgun shell. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got a coin. Yay. And looks like we got a wheat penny. So yeah, I'm excited about this. This is the first old coin I have found at this location. And says one cent. I think it just says 1957 maybe. I was hoping it was a 37, but I think it's a 57. So it's barely a wheat penny, but I'll still take it. I'm going to keep going and see what else I can find. We'll be back at the next hole. Oh, we're still looking around. I decided to relax under the tree for a minute. Just found my third bullet casing for the day, if you don't count the shotgun shell. But I'm going to keep going in a minute here. Just figured I'd take a break, check in, see how Eric's doing over there. I don't hear him yelling yet, so I'm going to assume he hasn't got anything super cool. I'm going to keep on going. Be back in a minute. It looks like my luck may have changed. Or not. I got a horseshoe. That's kind of cool. I keep on going, see what else I can find. Hey guys, sorry for the wind noise. I am back out at this farm field, checking things out today, and this is my first good signal. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's see if I can find it here. There it is. I found a soap token, and it was toning right around 78 to 80. Not very deep at all. It looks like it says ivory soap. So this is pretty cool. I'm glad I'm still finding stuff at this place. I'm going to keep on looking, see what else I can find. And when I wrap this up, I think I'm going to include the footage that I never included last year. So that way you can kind of get a feel for everything that I found today. Anyway, thanks for joining, and we'll be back with the next hole. Okay, so not a foot away from my other find. We're 2 feet away. Got another screaming signal, and this time it's a mason jar lid. And it was an 81 at 2, so very close to the surface. It's in pretty good condition. Not that I keep mason jar lids. But something around here looks like maybe they were throwing out garbage or something. So I'm going to look around a little more, see what else I can find. Well, this is unexpected. I am digging right behind a cellar hole. So got a lot of trash in this area. And dug a signal here. And I got a button. And this is actually a pretty cool button. It's got an eagle on the front. And it's got the old-fashioned little hook in the back. So it is complete. Pretty cool. I don't know if it's how old it might be, but I'm kind of thinking that given how deep it was, I'm guessing that it's probably original to that town. So it's got to be 100 years old or so. Hey there.
Hi.
Did you find anything yet?
No.
I got a button.
Strong shot.
Stronghold.
Stronghold. Okay.
I got another button too. Want to see this one?
Yeah. That looks more interesting.
They were next to each other.
That's one like I found at, whose house was that last year?
Anderson, I found
Anderson. Oh, you found it.
it. I found it. And I found this one too. Now I have a pair.
There you go.
There we go.
I got nothing.
Which was something I normally don't dig, but it was very clear tone. And it was in the plot. And some little bit of fancy. It's probably, I don't know, I think the corner for furniture or something like that. But anyway, I thought it was kind of interesting. I'm going to keep on looking, see what else I can find. Be back with you as soon as I have something to share. Well, this is actually kind of cool. This was a really tinny tone, and I didn't think, I thought it was going to be another bottle cap kind of thing. But instead I got a wheat penny. It started at 75, and when I got closer to it, I picked it up as an 80, so there must be something else that's in the hole as well. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's an old one. It's a 1911, no mint mark. So, pretty cool. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. We'll be back at the next hole. Okay, this was toning around a 66, so I kind of thought it'd be junk, and when I found it, it was turned over. I really thought it was junk, but when I turned it over, it turns out I got myself a ring. So that's kind of cool. It wasn't that deep either. It was probably an inch down, inch and a half, something like that. Anyway, I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. We'll be back at the next hole. This is toning pretty good, and it's typically what I'd call junk, but I found out in a video by Nugget Noggin the other day that that is actually a tobacco can lid. So I just thought I'd point that out, because you learned something by watching other YouTubers. So shout out to Nugget Noggin, and I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. Well, this was toning a strong 5152. Thought maybe I had a nickel, but instead looks like I got a little baking dish. So I don't know what that is. Kind of cool. Falling apart. I'm going to keep going, see what else I can find. Oh, this is exciting. I flipped up the plug and I can see the coin right there. Looks like I got my first coin of the day. More shotgun shell. Let's take a look. Nope. Nope, I got my second shotgun shell for the day. So I'm going to keep looking. I don't find a coin yet. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Well, over here overlooking the river, I got kind of an odd signal. And it looks like I have an interesting little garbage hole. First I got a shotgun shell, and then I got a bottle cap, and now I have a spoon bowl. And the spoon bowl looks to me maybe copper, so that must have been the signal I was chasing in the first place. Kind of interesting, not too precious. Gonna keep going, see what else I can find. Be back at the next hole. Next up, it is not a coin, but at least it is not a mason jar either. So, found a key. This one is actually kind of cool looking because it's a little decorative. So I would think it's an older key. It's got a number on it, but just the style of it looks like it could be maybe a little bit older. So kind of cool. And still looking for coins today, but happy to get this. Okay, so this is actually kind of cool. This is toning as a 90, and when I flipped it up, I saw it was in the plug. And what I got is a 3/4 coin spill, and these do not look to be super old, but that's why they were toning so beautifully. And yeah, they're not super old. They're 1980 something. I think this last one might be a state quarter. Nope, they're all Eagles at least. But anyway, I had found another quarter right here, just to the side, and these other three were still toning in the hole. So it always pays to check your hole again and keep on looking, see what else I can find. Be back with you soon. I am not sure what this is. I thought maybe if we focus in on it with the camera, we could see something. You see anything in the camera? I'll flip it over. Let's see. No, that side's worse. We're going to have to clean that side up for sure. This is really weird. Yeah, I think it might be a nickel. Do you just take it so I can't see it? Oh, you're awesome. Okay, put it back down so I can see it.
It has rough edges, sharp ones even.
Sharp edges?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. That could be like an old foreign coin or maybe a token even. It's definitely bigger than a penny. And I don't know what it is. We're going to have to clean it up and see. So that's actually pretty interesting, whatever it is. Hopefully it's not just a piece of junk, but it looks way too round to be junk. So let's see if we can't clean it up and get a better look at it. Can you read anything on it?
I think I see the place where it puts the date, and I see a 2.
A 2?
2 twos.
2 twos?
I think I see 2 twos at the bottom of this.
Okay. Well, let's see if we can't clean it up, okay?
Okay.
Aluminum foiled again. Aluminum foiled again. Aluminum foiled again. Scratchy sound jumping around. Digital readings up and down. Got me confused and concerned. If I don't dig it, I might get burned. Whoa, let's see what's down below. Aluminum foiled again. Aluminum foiled again. Aluminum foiled again. Chewing gum wrap a thin gold chain. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'll dig it up, can't walk away, so I cut a plug. What the hey? Whoa, let's see what's down below. Aluminum foiled again.